Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use an old or spare laptop as NAS. For those who don't know, NAS stands for Network Attached Storage. So let's begin. As you can see, I've already inserted an 1TB HDD in my laptop NAS. Now right-click on the HDD. Select Give Access to and then click on Advanced Sharing. Click again on Advanced Sharing option. Check the Share this folder box and under Permissions, check the Allow box on Full Control. After that, hit Apply and OK. As you can see, we now have the network path of the hard drive. Close this window and let's go to another laptop. On the other laptop, open File Explorer. Go to this PC and click on Computer in the upper left corner. Then select Map Network Drive. Type the network path of the hard drive in the folder section. In my case, it is /laptop NAS /D. Then check the second box and hit Enter. It will prompt you to fill in your credentials. You have to type the username and the password of your NAS laptop. You can find your username in Settings, in the About section. Your password is the same password you used to log into your computer. After that, click OK. After a few seconds, a new window will pop up and you'll be ready to use the hard drive over the network. To test it, we will paste a file to the hard drive and we'll check if the file is on the other laptop that we used as NAS. Now let's hop to the other laptop. As you can witness, the file is accessible from the other end. So that is how you create a NAS with a spare laptop. Please note that you have to keep the NAS laptop powered on and awake in order to be able to access the NAS files whenever you want.